Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Oppo A78 louder. So in the first step we have to go to the Play Store, then look for the volume app. Choose one of the boosters. I'm always using the Goodies app. So we have to open it, decide that you want to get notification and click yes agree or no thank you 3 times. Close the window and click OK. Now the tool is active and we can increase the booster power by sliding into the right. The 60% is max. So just adjust it to your needs, and if you tap on the home screen, the tool is still active in the background. So if you want to disable it, open the Goodies app, click stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment and goodbye.